wow, what is that there? I think it's the sunset, eh? BOOZHOO ni Janashanabe Dog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language in bangishimo, the sunset. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's a beautiful one. Did you see that, sweetheart? It's a beautiful evening, and the sun is going down, bangishimo. And I'm not talking about any bangishimo. I'm talking about that bangishimo. So I'm going to say bangishimo iwe, that bangishimo. So yeah, let me add this to bangishimo. Wagonan iwe, what is that? Wagonan iwe, what is that? Bangishimo iwe, that is the sunset. And let's see, is there anything I can say about sunsets and the Anishinaabe culture? Well, you know, in our way, when the sun goes down, that's the time traditionally where you turn on a light because it's dark. Let's see. I got nothing. Hey, Grandma, what is it, my boy? Can you tell me something about Ojibwe culture in regards to bangishimo?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like how did we honor the sunset?
Oh, I don't know. Don't forget we got dialysis in the morning.
Oh, that's right. Got to get up early. Get into dialysis. She's got an appointment at 6. Okay, well, maybe that's enough. Okay, so don't forget bangishimo sunset. And yeah, you've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Igawabamin Minawa. Hoa. Okay, good enough. Let's wrap it up. Yeah, I know, let's wrap it up with the outro music and we'll pan to the sunset across the street. All right, see you later.